Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Notion API with integration tokens, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authenticate the Notion API with integration tokens, you'll first need to create a Notion account if you haven't done so already. Once your account is set up, log in to your Notion workspace. Next, navigate to the Notion developers page by visiting notion.so/my-integrations. Here, click on the Create New Integration button. You'll be prompted to enter a name for your integration. Choose a name that clearly reflects its purpose. Next, select the workspace you want the integration to access. You will also need to choose the required permissions for your integration. These permissions determine what data your integration can read or write. After filling in the details, click on the Submit button at the bottom of the form. Once your integration is created, you'll see an internal integration token. Copy this token, as it will be essential for authenticating your API requests. Now, open your preferred code editor or API testing tool. You'll be using this token in the headers of your API requests. Whenever you make a request to the Notion API, include the token in the authorization header. The format should be bearer_integration_token. This setup grants your application the necessary access to interact with the Notion API. Now you can begin making requests to the Notion API. Test your integration by making a simple API call to retrieve a page or database. Monitor the response to ensure your authentication is working correctly. If you encounter any issues, double-check that your integration token is used correctly in the headers. Congratulations, you've successfully authenticated the Notion API using integration tokens. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested content. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.